Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. In this session, we are going to learn about Constitution of India. So let us begin with what the Constitution of India is. The Indian Constitution is a significant legal document that acts as India's supreme law. It contains aspects of multiple current constitutions, even though it is an acquired constitution. Numerous amendments have been made to the original constitution, including the 7th, 42nd, 44th and 74th amendments. Now let us know the background to making the Indian Constitution. India, which was under British rule for over 200 years, was granted independence in 1947. A committee was established in 1928 to create the Constitution, with the Nehru Report released in 1929. The Constituent Assembly was chosen in 1946 to write the new Constitution, which was adopted in 1949 and came into force in 1950. The Indian Constitution was a complicated and multi-faced process influenced by substantial political and social changes in India. The farmers had to take into account the particular history and the culture of nation while striking a balance between a variety of interests. The Indian Constitution, adopted on November 26, 1949, is a single document written by a single body and signed by Parliament members on January 24, 1950. So let us know why it is important to have a constitution. Importance of Constitution. Governance and rule of law. A constitution is a legal document that establishes the foundation for government, ensures its functioning within predetermined boundaries, and upholds the rule of law by providing guidelines and precepts for the state's operations. Second is the protection of fundamental rights. A constitution ensures citizens have fundamental rights and freedoms, including equality, freedom of speech, religion, life and liberty, which are crucial for protecting individual dignity, promoting social justice, and preventing arbitrary state actions. Next is the separation of powers. A constitution establishes the division of powers between legislative, executive and judicial department, ensuring checks and balances to prevent abuses and consolidate power in any branch, preventing potential consolidation. Then there is democratic governance. A constitution is a legal document that establishes the framework of democratic governance, defines the electoral process, ensures universal suffrage and ensures free and fair elections, while also providing mechanisms for representative institutions like parliament and state legislatures. Next is the protection of minority rights. The Constitution in India is crucial in safeguarding minority communities' rights, ensuring their representation in politics, preventing discrimination, promoting social inclusion and preserving cultural, religious and linguistic diversity, thereby promoting political participation. Lastly, the legal framework. A constitution provides the legal foundation for the judicial system, including courts creation, judge selection and justice dispensation. It upholds the rule of law, ensures access to justice and defends individuals' rights. With these, we come to the end of this session. Let us try to answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the Constitution? Question number 2. When was the Constitution of India enacted? Question number 3. How does the Constitution protect minority rights? That's all for today. Thank you.